Good evening. First of all, congratulations to my dear friends Sajimon, Joy Chakapan, Srigamar Unithan and the newly elected Hokana team. The success of any program relies heavily on the contributions of its supporters. And Manj is fortunate to have such dedicated partners for this event. At this time, we would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to our sponsors, Joy Alucas, Global Collision and Bodyworks, Mithras, Accent Financial Services, Steve Auto Repairs, Woodlands Inn and Resort, Sutagar Menon and Anilibu, Muthoot Finance, Jaibu Mathikulangara and Associates Tax Service, Ulsav Indian Casino, Connecticut. Your unwavering support and generous contributions have been invaluable. We look forward to continuing this journey together. Once again, thank you for being an essential part of this event. Thank you.